This is page 201. Circle the correct words to complete the question. Can my roommate come to class with me? We have to use come because remember that rule I just mentioned, when I have can or could, I have to use base form. Do you mind if I call you at home? The phrase is do you mind, not could you mind. It doesn't make sense. Could I borrow a pen? Again, after could, we have to use base form. We can't use the past form. Do you mind if I ask a question? So just remember the phrase is do you mind if, not do you mind when. May I please shut the door? So remember the structure is may or could or can plus the subject plus please plus the verb. So it has to be this one. And if you want to take a look at your book explanation, you can go to page 192. You have to follow this word order. And then, where am I? Okay, and then part B. Read the situations in parentheses, complete the questions to ask for permission. Could I borrow a pen? So you want to borrow a pen. So how do you ask? Could I borrow a pen? Your sister wants to leave. I'm not really sure how you ask for permission here. It's kind of weird. I think, can my sister leave or can I take my sister? I'm not really sure what they want you to ask. This one was weird. It took me a few times, but what answer did they want from you? Let me check. Oh, 478. Yeah, can my sister leave? Yeah, so this is, I actually got it right. So that's the answer here. Do you mind if I open the window? You want to open the window, that's how you ask. Could we come early? So you can also say, could my friend and I come early if you want? I just wrote we because it's faster. May I ask a question? Although you already asked one, so that's kind of weird. But this is how we phrase it. Okay, part C, find and correct 10 mistakes. Do you mind if I change the date of our first meeting? So remember, after do you mind if, I have to use present simple. That's part of the rule. No, I don't. When would you like to meet? So no, I don't means it's okay. Let's change it. So change. We don't use yes, I do here. Could I call you tonight? So after could, I have to use base form. I just mentioned that earlier. So make sure you cross this out. We cannot use gerund form. Sorry, but you can't. I won't be home. We can't use could in the answer. I have to use can't or may not. Mom, may I have some ice cream? So remember, if this is a question, so the modal has to come first and then the subject. No, you can't, or no, you may not. We don't use this contraction, mayn't. Doesn't make sense. You've already had a lot, you'll get sick. Do you mind if my son turns on the TV? Remember, after do you mind if, I have to use present simple. So this has to have an S. Yes, I do. I can't study with the TV on. So he doesn't want the son to turn on the TV. So he has to say, yes, I do, which means I don't want your son to turn it on. Can my sister borrow your bike? After can, remember when we have can, we have to use the base form of the verb. So take out the S. And then same thing with the next one. Could I let you know tomorrow? Sure, no problem. After could, I have to use base form. So cross that out. So check your answers for all of the exercises on this page.